Hello, I'm Yasmin Lopez, founder and director of the Wellness for Girls Foundation. The Wellness for Girls Foundation is a social initiative that was created in 2012. We empower underprivileged Hispanic women through integral wellness education and skills for economic growth in order to improve their own and their family's life. Wellness for Growth is making an impact in the lives of many Hispanic families. We now know through quantitative and qualitative research that they're all improving and using the skills for economic growth that we teach them throughout the educational platform. Some of them are going back to school, others are getting together to start their own businesses, and the most important part is that they all have the self-confidence that they need to achieve their life goals. Since 2012, we have been offering our 2-month-long education program and workshops to empower mothers at their children's schools. As the time goes by, we are now proudly offering online education alternatives to increase the reach of our mission and ensure that minority women are not left behind. Some examples of our online courses are: today we're going to cover integral health and wellness, and we're going to go over the different components that are necessary to live a balanced life.
When we think about our own self-image, there are areas of ourselves that we are very familiar with, and there are some areas that are unknown.
Well, as you can see here, we can create a profile on Facebook. Very simple. You fill out the data.
The key to healthy personal finances is a detailed understanding of expenses versus income.
We invite you to join our team today and visit our website, wellness4growth.org.